Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's December 6th, Friday morning, and grain markets mixed tone here this morning. Corn uh, rallying a little bit on short covering and stronger ethanol margins around the country. Soybeans off on export news, and we've got some choppy markets here after the volatility that we've seen this week. So far, corn this week is up about 9 cents. That's as of from Friday's close to yesterday's close. January our soybeans up about 8.5 cents, and wheat down 16 3/4 cents for that same period of time. Big news yesterday, and was continued to be talked about and provides support in the soybean complex, is the export sales numbers that we've seen yesterday. Right now, we've got about 95% of the soybeans sold that the USDA has targeted in their balance sheet. So the big question is, can we continue at this pace? Or are we going to see some cancellations from China? And what about supply? The USDA has their next monthly supply demand report coming out next week, Tuesday. Trade's expecting to see some adjustments in ending stocks in all three commodities, actually. However, Rich Nelson in our office here has done some research, look back at past years, and it's historically the USDA does not make any changes or very minor changes in this December report. They wait until the January report to adjust numbers. So we don't expect much of an adjustment on this report coming out next week. News out of Brazil, one of the private analysts down there, they put Brazil's soybean production at 90.7 million metric tons this year versus their last estimate of 86 million tons. Corn, 76.1 versus a 75.7 estimate. So increasing some production out of South America. The weather conditions down there continue to be favorable. Weather systems moving through the production areas in both Argentina and Brazil every 5 to 7 days looks to be ideal right now. However, there is a dry pocket down in the southwestern portion of Argentina. There is talk in the trade that Argentina may adjust their export tariffs that they've got on soybeans in order to get farmers to move soybeans that they have in storage. They've got quite a stockpile right now, and talk is they may reduce their tariff from 35% down to 20% for a 90-day period in order to get farmers to sell, because of the inflation rate that in Argentina it has. Farmers have been holding on to the soybeans because they're priced in dollars, and it's a way to benefit and protect against some of that inflation. So we're watching that very closely. If that would occur, it may open the doors for more bean sales down there, and could cause some adjustments in price here on the Chicago Board of Trade. In the livestock trade, still waiting for some positive news in the livestock markets. We did have cash cattle trade at 132 yesterday. That would have been steady to $1 lower, depending how you look at the markets compared to last week. The futures still finding weakness on fund selling and technical selling. Cutout values in beef down 89 cents for choice, select down 42 cents. Pork cutout values are up actually 14 cents yesterday. So we're still looking for something positive there. The export sales news for meat came out yesterday, giving us the October numbers, and that suggested that pork export sales were down 12% from a year ago, and imports were up 16%. In beef, we did have a positive sales number. We're up 5%. However, imports increased 30% from a year ago. So might be some reason and why we've seen some sell-off here, and we're also finding resistance in the beef market at this $200 value for a product. We need to find some demand to justify the strength that we're seeing there. So again, a lot of things going on. I want to remind everybody we've got the Allendale conference coming up here in the end of January. It's going to be an online conference this year, so we can go right to your desktop or kitchen table, and you don't have to travel to Chicago this year. So a lot of positives. Take a look at it, the information on our website, or just give us a call. We'll be happy to explain it to you, and we'd love to have you join us. So look forward to everybody signing up for the conference. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and we'll talk to you on Monday morning. Thank you.